Hi kids, let's learn ABC with FaheemShaheen. A for apple, B for ball, C for car, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for giraffe, H for house, I for igloo, J for jellyfish, K for king, L for lemon, M for music, N for night, O for owl, P for pancakes, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for snail, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for wagon, X for xylophone, Y for yawn, Z for zoo. Please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.